In today's video, we will be taking the pistons out of my 5.3 liter LS engine, and we are going to be examining them and looking deeper into the cylinders of the engine. Stay tuned for more epic engine videos to come. Brought to you by Max's Garage. Epic awesome adventures with Max's Garage. Welcome to Max's Garage. Hey guys, going through the process of pulling the pistons out and labeling everything. I'm labeling the bearings, I'm labeling the pistons and rods, obviously. And then we're going to have the cam and the crank installed. Stay tuned. I removed all of the pistons. I took all the pistons out so we can see how the cylinder bores look, but everything looks great with this engine. In the next video, what I'm going to do is I am going to tell you what my findings are. I have to analyze all the bearings, but you can see here I labeled everything. This came from cylinder 6. So I'm going to read up on what the wear marks indicate based on how they look. I think everything looks pretty decent. And likewise, every piston, you can't quite see it, there you go. Every piston got labeled really accurately and nicely. I used a Dremel tool to label all the pistons. I carved into the cap. I think that the cylinder bores are in great shape. There's a little bit of pitting and rust here, you can see, but I think that a ball hone is just going to take that right out. The crankshaft looks like it's in great shape, and all of these pistons, they all look like, I'm going to go over everything, look at the top land and the side skirts, and the rings are going to get pulled off and compared to new ones, but yeah, there's no damage on the camshaft. Get a much better glimpse in here. Everything spins true and freely. and get a feeler gauge so I can measure the end play. So I've got this engine and this engine, and they're both going to get reassembled. I'm going to reassemble both of those engines, and then maybe I'm going to get a engine run stand. That would be nice if I got a run stand for my engines so I could test them. Anyway, that's some hot rod stuff right there. Here's all the bearings.